What is forgiveness? There are times when we convince ourselves that we have forgiven someone for the wrong they did to us, but the moment we remember the offense, we relive the pain, hurt, and emotions all over again. Sometimes, that can be a sign that true forgiveness has not fully taken place in our hearts. There is a saying that if the memory of an offense still stirs deep pain and bitterness within you, then healing and forgiveness may still be incomplete. Forgiveness is not just about saying, "I forgive you," with our lips. It is also about allowing our hearts to let go. This does not mean pretending the hurt never happened or denying the pain you felt. Rather, it means refusing to carry that hurt every single day. Continually replaying the offense in your mind only creates heaviness in your heart and prevents you from truly moving forward and healing from the ache. Ephesians 4 verse 32 gives us a clear guide on how to deal with unforgiveness. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you. The Bible also reminds us in Matthew 6 verse 15 that if we refuse to forgive others, we also hinder our own forgiveness before God. Take a few moments today to reflect deeply. Is there anyone who has hurt you or your loved ones that you still struggle to release from your heart? Is that pain still creating heaviness within you? Ask the Lord to help you let go of every hurt, bitterness, and offense. Pray for healing, strength, and the grace to truly move forward in peace.